Heard them lanes was talking now, and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy.
Fast happening Pride, and welcome back to the Vibes Land. So today we are doing TikTok dinners. So we're gonna start off with cracked chicken, and here's that. Here's that TikTok.
How to make cracked chicken. Place 6 chickens in. Now add 32 ounces of cream cheese. Add 4 dry ranch seasonings. Now pour 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Now add some garlic powder. Add 4 tablespoons of green onions. Now put it on high. Let this cook for 4 hours. Cook and cut 16 ounces of bacon. Shred the chicken.
Then you're gonna put the bacon in with the chicken.
You could eat it with any side. I just picked garlic bread. And enjoy.
Okay, so it said start off with 6 chickens. Just put them in. Okay, then it said 32 ounces of cream cheese. This cream cheese is being really difficult. Now she said 4 ranch packets. Now she said 4 ranch packets. Then she said 2 cups of cheese, but we like cheese in this family, so I'm gonna do at least 2.5 cups. Because one of these bags is 2 cups. So I'm gonna do maybe half of this one. We're gonna go ahead and let this one cook for 4 hours, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so I've shredded the chicken, and I've cooked the bacon. So now I'm about to put the bacon inside the crock pot. And here it is. Like a bacon chicken ranch sort of thing. Let's taste it. If you love bacon cheddar ranch, you'll love this. This video today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please let me know down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. How's it going, everybody? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. Thank you for stopping by the channel. If you want to join Vibes Pride or The Pride, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.